Truly is year-round here in North Texas, and right now the only thing that's really going to help lower pollen counts is rain. Rain kind of patting down some of the pollen. So if you think of all the pollen in the air, the rain's going to weigh it down.
Shove it down.
That's only temporarily.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing will humble you like an allergy either. Goodness gracious.
This is so true. And you know, whenever it's a little drier, whenever we've got the wind gust going, that tends to rattle up some of the allergens in our air. So beware. Our DVU cam right now is showing a wind gust of 26 miles per hour. And you can see it there in the flag blowing in the wind. Otherwise, we are looking at a little bit of a partly cloudy sky, temperature of 74 degrees. I do want to go ahead, though, and talk about what's happening big picture, because while we are seeing a calm radar today, it is going to be a bit more active in the next couple of days. A WFA weather alert for Friday and for Saturday, and the impact will be the potential for on and off heavy rain. I do think that we'll see some thunderstorms tomorrow. And with those storms, the strongest of storms, not every storm, could contain P to quarter-size hail. 50-plus mile-per-hour wind gusts not ruled out at this point, and of course, any additional rain at this point could also cause some flood concern. You may need to adjust some of those outdoor plans Friday afternoon, Saturday morning. Stay updated on the forecast with us on WFA Plus. I'm going to take you day by day because we've got a couple days here to get through. So today, this afternoon, this evening, our severe weather outlook includes far, far west portions of North Texas under a marginal level 1 risk. That's because of a decaying line of thunderstorms from West Texas that eventually makes it in. Most of us stay completely dry today. We'll just see some cloud cover. But look at what happens as we head into the evening overnight hours. We could very well see a couple of thunderstorms kind of blow through areas of far northwestern North Texas. I'm going to take you to tomorrow now. Tomorrow, again, that WFA weather alert. We start out with a few little showers in the area. Most of the morning, we're going to just see some light rain. I'm going to take you now to 3 in the afternoon because that's when I think we could see a few of these thunderstorms first pop up. Eventually, these storms kind of expand in coverage. Between 3 and 6, they kind of just blossom and move through areas of the Metroplex. By 8, we'll see a lot of this activity pushing off towards the east and eventually kind of winding down. I'm not going to take you to very early Saturday. Saturday morning, we get this cluster of thunderstorms that comes in as a front is working its way through the area. Coverage at this point will be a little higher at about 50–60%. And at this point, we're starting to see that transition to more of a heavy rain event. So depending on where these thunderstorms line up, this is now around noon on Saturday, we could very well see some of these thunderstorms raining heavy over the same area for a few hours, and that's what's going to cause some flood issues. Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, we're looking a little drier for the Metroplex, but certainly a little more activity towards the southeast areas of the coastal Bend and southeast Texas could very well see the severe weather kind of ramp up for Saturday afternoon. Meanwhile, for us, Friday afternoon and evening, all of North Texas under a slight or level 2 out of 5 risk for the potential of strong storms. Any threat for isolated tornadoes looks higher in Oklahoma, where you see that level 3. Now, level 2 does not guarantee severe weather. I want to emphasize that. But of course, we'll be watching that potential as we've got a lot of energy to work with here in the next couple of days. A lot of moisture to work with as well. Saturday afternoon, like I said, the threat really higher southeast of here, closer to Houston, the coastal Bend. For the rest of North Texas, we're looking a little drier. 1 to 2 additional inches of rain possible, but it doesn't take a lot to cause issues on the roads. Yesterday, a widespread 1 to 3 did a number for some of our highways, so just consider that. And also consider the fact that our ground's already saturated. Wednesday's rain certainly still making an impact as the next round moves in. Temperatures are going to be a little lower over the weekend, 67 on Saturday, 70 on Sunday. Next week, also looking a bit active, especially Tuesday. A day to watch, Morgan.
All right, Mariel, thank you. Happening right now, we are hearing for